Alright, quick update. I put bigger tires on, Fearless front, almost equal to the rear. I did his threaded bolt welded on, but I added a little extra, I did both sides like that. You can see both sides. Now I'm going to just paint them really quick, just flat black. It looks pretty neat though, huh? Oh, I also did mud flaps. I got these from my uncle. Thanks, Uncle. They were Chevrolet. So I just reversed them. So Chevy parts on the inside. So they're just black on the outside. The mud flaps, they help a whole little. A lot better than nothing. It's a quick little update. Thank you.